Hi YouTube, this is Christian Brindle, Medicare health plan expert and specialist, licensed insurance agent, and owner and operator of Christian Brindle Insurance Services, where we work for you on your Medicare. Today we have a showdown of epic proportions, and it's been an age-old question throughout the insurance industry. The HMO plan versus the PPO plan, which one's better? And which one will come out on top today in this epic showdown. So let's get right into it. And we start with the HMO plan, which of course stands for Health Maintenance Organization. Some characteristics of the HMO are little out-of-network coverage, which essentially what that means, folks, is they do not give you flexibility to go in and out of network. It's very actually typical that an HMO plan will cover you in the event of an emergency room, in and out of network, especially with Medicare Advantage plans, and they may cover various other things. And there are some exceptions to this. There are some HMOs that are HMO POS plans, which doesn't mean what you think it means. It means point of service, which also, those plans typically let you go out of network, but a regular HMO typically won't. There are some HMOs that we work with that have travel benefits built in, but typically they're known for having hard networks, very little to no in and out of network coverage. Although if it's a Medicare Advantage plan, they have to cover you at least for an emergency room visit in and out of network. Number two, Medicare Advantage plans can, notice the word can, doesn't mean they always will, require referrals to see a specialist. A referral meaning that's filed by your primary care physician before they will approve the specialist visit. This is a pain in the butt. But not all HMOs require this. I've heard some people suggest that all HMO plans do. It's utter nonsense. There's a lot that don't, but there's also a lot that do. And third, typically HMO plans will have lower copays and lower out-of-pocket, but this is not always the case. Of course, with everything we see on this, there's exceptions, but these are very common characteristics of HMOs, but you want to look for that a majority of HMOs will have. Let's move on to PPO plans. PPO plans stands for Preferred Provider Organization, okay? A PPO plan gives you the ability to go in and out of network. So typically with a PPO plan, the way that it works is they give you an in-network copay, especially for Medicare Advantage plans. And then if you go out of network, you might pay a slightly higher copay or a co-insurance. But regardless, they will provide you coverage out of network. It just might not be as good as the coverage in network, okay? Also, typically, PPO plans will have higher copays than HMO plans, but not always. This is, like I said, there's some exceptions to this. Take that with a grain of salt. So, which is better? You decide. A lot of this depends on where you live, what market you're looking in, if you're on Medicare or you're not on Medicare, what's available to you. There are plenty of HMO plans that might be the best available in your specific state. There are plenty of PPO plans that might be available based on your specific state, or a lot of it depends on what your needs are, what your preferences are, and what it is you need on your health plan and what's available in your state. It's not always a clear-cut decision on which one is better. I know that's probably a disappointing answer, so I apologize in advance. But if you'd like to know which one's better for you specifically, these are the states that we are licensed to do business with, and we carry all of the major insurance companies in these markets. Colorado, South Carolina, Idaho, Florida, Utah, Texas, Oregon. Call today, folks, and talk with me specifically. My name is Christian Brindle, and we can help you on your Medicare health plan. We specialize in Medicare health plans. That's what we do for people on Medicare. Of all different situations, we do all types of Medicare Advantage plans, whether they're HMOs, PPOs, and we also do Medicare supplement plans. Again, call today. We'd be happy to talk with you. We'd be happy to work with you. Thanks so much for watching, folks. If you found this video helpful, educational, answered your questions about HMOs and PPO plans, please do us a favor. Drop a comment down below on what you'd like to see on future videos. Drop a like on this video and subscribe for future Medicare educational content. Thanks for watching.